Ontario's long-term care minister purported to respond to the latest scathing COVID report this morning.
To everyone impacted by this tragedy, especially to long-term care staff, residents, and their families, our government hears you, and we will do right by you.
Instead, in what amounted to a media filibuster, Mayor Lee Fullerton spent 7 minutes blaming previous governments.
Why it's taken a pandemic to reach this point, I can't quite understand. So I know I'm fixing this problem.
And several more minutes not answering questions.
When did you first learn that people were dying from neglect?
Well, I think that if we, first of all, let me acknowledge the importance of the military, like what happened with COVID, excuse me. It is devastating. As a doctor, I've spent decades.
You didn't answer the question.
Are you or your government going to apologize to people for what happened in long-term care?
I think collectively as a society, we need to do some soul searching.
After hearing from 3 reporters, Fullerton started packing up her things to head to question period.
Questions to your floor, Minister.
That's when the opposition pounced.
It was the minister's job to protect seniors in long-term care. She failed. Will she do the right thing and resign?
I want to first of all commend the Commission for their important and insightful work.
But answers were no more forthcoming.
The report clearly shows that this Ford government was making cuts that cost lives.
They are simply unfounded.
The Long-Term Care Commission concluded that lack of planning led to a slow government response when the pandemic hit, and precautions like wearing masks and having staff only work at one facility should have been implemented sooner. Fullerton says her government is working towards hiring more PSWs and implementing other recommendations from the report. Lisa Heffner, CHCH News.